Knipex multi-component wire strippers. The first and only cutter to shear screws without damaging the threads. Wire cutters, wire strippers, and wire pliers. Normally when you shear a screw, you have to thread inside of it. And when it cuts, it really destroys the threads after you cut it. And you even have to fumble with it to get it to go. But with the Knipex, you just put it inside of it. You don't have to thread it in. You just put it inside and shear it. And it doesn't destroy the threads. It just shears it and the threads are perfect.